What's up everyone, back again with another video, and here we have the Firestick 4K. As the name suggests, this Firestick 4K supports 4K video quality, unlike the Firestick Lite that only supports up to 1080. The Firestick Lite also does not have a volume button and a power button. As you can see, it's neatly packaged with everything well put together. Let me just try to get this open. Yeah. First things first, you have your user manual with the instructions. You also have a micro USB cable. It's about 6 feet long. Your power cable. It's right there. And then here you have your extension, your HDMI male to female extension cable, just for a little bit more flexibility. And you also have it comes with 2 AAA batteries. You can purchase these from your local electronics store, not rechargeable. And this is your power adapter for your Fire Stick. And here is the Fire Stick 4K, neatly packaged. And here is your remote. And as I said before, this one comes with the volume control and the power button, unlike the Firestick Lite that doesn't. Thanks for watching again, guys, and if you like my video, give us a thumbs up and look out for part 2 where we'll be showing you how to set up your Firestick 4K. Peace.